Ow! Ow!
Ai, ai, Goku, ai, tenevami vicino, c'è demorati, trainati, caccola prima si dice.
Oh! Please don't do it! Why do I have and Goku cries like a baby? This is gonna be funny. Goku, stop crying. You're not a baby. Ah! He said, stop. 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 Oh! That's embarrassing. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Calm down, you stupid. Stop crying. I don't want it. Aw, little Goku wants his mommy. Here you go. Oh! Katrina, what are you doing? Oh, wait, Bear. Goku's crying like a baby. What? What is funny? I'm watching. Now you make Goku cry. I didn't do it. Yes, you did. Now Goku can't stop crying. Maybe he needs a diaper change or a bottle. You want that, baby Goku? Stop crying! Jesus. Oh my god. That is so. Your baby cries like. Watch this, it's funny. Okay, too fast, too fast, too fast. Okay, stop it. You're gonna have a seizure if you do it again. Watch this. A fire truck will scare you. Warning, I want you to turn it down. Watch. Yes. Right, oops. Shh. Oh my god. Did Goku call the fire department? Oh! What's that sound? That's the fire truck, Boo. Cover your ears. Ow! Good thing Rockford didn't hear it. He's busy with something. This time it's gonna be really loud. And then you make it loud enough. Hey, but watch what happens if Goku sounds like this. Watch. What? Goku, stop making that noise. Oh god. What's wrong? It hurts you? Dad! Yeah, I talk like that. Okay, it's okay. Oh, that's the doctor that gives Goku the shot. Oh! This is funny. Goku's scared of the siren. Goku's scared of the siren. Burning. Wait. Goku's scared of the needle. Goku's scared of the needle. Never mind. Okay, too fast. Let's slow it down a bit, please. Please! Don't do it! You need to stop, Goku. And you need to bend it on his right over here. I'm sorry, Goku, but you need to stay still. It's not gonna hurt. You're a brave man. He's saying, uh-oh. Bum. Watch the needle. Uh-oh. Wait, what? Guys, this is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. The shock is hilarious. Watch this. No, not that one. This. Okay, the gasp is much better than this. my god. Okay. Oh, please don't hurt Goku. He's not a baby, but he's an adult. He's a young. I don't know how old he is. Oh god. Oh god.